friends, Andrew here. In this video I will show you how to download your VidiQ invoices. So guys, if you're looking for those receipts and you want to download them, then I'm going to show you how to do so. Once you're inside your account, click your profile on the upper right hand side and go to your account settings. From here, click on manage plan at the top there, and here you want to scroll down. You'll have an option that says view receipts. Click on that, and from here you have your invoices, right? So you can see that these ones are paid, and if I go to the action section, I can view them, or I can go ahead and click on the download receipts. If I click on that, it's going to basically open up. Let me go ahead and move this tab here so that you can see, and here you can see right here that it opens up a blank page, but it actually downloads it for me. If I click on downloads on the upper right hand side, you can see that it has a PDF here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up this into my file explorer, and you will see that I have my receipt here. So this is my VidIQ receipt. I can open it, guys, and you can see that I have my VidIQ receipts right here. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to download your VidIQ receipt or your VidIQ invoices on VidIQ. Very easy and very simple.